Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Apecoin price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Apecoin chart, which at the time of this recording we have been able to lose a key area of support at around the $6 mark. We are also trading below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, meaning it's now acting as resistance, and there are high chances that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the formation of these higher Elliot wave count 4 that we have right here. And before I give you further technical analysis, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening before I give you my next target areas in the formation of this wave 4. And you can see that after making our low at around the $2.5976 mark, we saw a 5-wave structure to the upside, having that wave 5 making its peak at around the $4.6 mark, and completed the formation of that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we saw a corrective structure in the formation of a second wave, where we had this ABC corrective structure fully maximizing the formation of that wave 2 before we started another massive bounce to the upside in what I'm terming as the formation of this wave 3. And by showing you that this wave 3 to the upside might have peaked by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, that gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $6.56 mark. And here on the charts we made our high at around the $6.42 mark, which is so close to our target area, and there are chances that we might have peaked in that wave 3 at around the $6.42 mark. And whatever we are seeing at the moment could be the start of a corrective structure to the lower side in the formation of this wave 4, and this is what I'm expecting on the primary scenarios here on the Apecoin chart. And after losing the key area of support at around the $6 mark and also losing the 20-day MA, that makes this scenario more likely, and sketching out a minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of this wave 4 by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3. That gives me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, and I can mark that target area here on the charts, which lies between the $5.2133 mark and the $4.83 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting these higher Elliot wave count 4 to do. And in the formation of that wave 4, because it's a corrective wave, I'm also expecting to see an ABC corrective structure play out, having the wave C fully maximizing the formation of that wave 4 to the lower side. And we can also check whether we have seen a retest of this key area of support after losing it. So you can see right here, after seeing a break below that key area of support, we have seen a retest of that key area of support, and after the retest we have continued pushing even higher, and this could be the move that could continue unlocking even lower prices to fully maximize the formation of these wave 4 to the lower side within this red target area. And once that happens, then we can be able to get back into Apecoin so that we can be able to ride this bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 5. So I'm still expecting the formation of this wave 5 to the upside, and if I sketch out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 5, before even this wave 4 over here plays out, we can be able to sketch out a target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high that we made in the formation of that wave 3, and that gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $7.6483 mark, and that is the minimum that I would expect Apecoin to do in the formation of that wave 5. So once we see a retracement over here in the formation of this wave 4, then I believe this will be another perfect entry into Apecoin before we ride that bounce to the upside back to around the $7.683 mark. So that is what I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, you can see we are trading at around the 45 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support further movements to the lower side in the formation of this wave 4. And also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross fully supporting the formation of that wave 4. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.